Welcome, I am Daniel Terhune from Real Estate Advantage. Always remember, have a plan, go with Dan. If you're looking for a house with some room to spread out, this one might be for you. Located on a full acre near the town park in Frewsburg, this 4-bedroom home has too many features to list. Throughout the home there is laminate and hardwood flooring for easy cleaning, and several unique features such as light fixtures, classical wood paneling and custom built-in storage. Downstairs is one bedroom which could also be an office, a formal dining room, living room, 2 family rooms, one with a fireplace, and the other with built-in storage, a full bathroom, and a large walk-in closet or storage area. The eat-in kitchen has an island/breakfast bar, and a pantry. Upstairs has a total of 3 bedrooms, the second bathroom, another walk-in closet or storage area, and a spacious laundry room. The main bedroom has built-in storage, and is attached to the laundry room, which could be converted into an ensuite bathroom.